Happy Friday! Hello everyone! Today we are opening up Heaven Panty. So this will probably be a quick video because this typically is, plus I have maintenance coming in any minute now, which is kind of funny. I chose like a panty subscription, but anyways, happy Friday! I'm in a good mood today. This is Heaven Panty. It's a monthly panty subscription. You can get 1 or 2 panties every month or every other month. I love that they have the bi-monthly option. Starts at $9.99, and then for 1 pair a month, $16.99 for 2 pairs. You do get a free trial, so like your first month's free. That's just on their website. I do get this kindly sent to me free for review, but I don't have an affiliate link or any codes or anything like that. But I will link their website down below. I think this is a great one if you like comfy, sexy style panties. Let's see what we got. So they have a good profile. You let them know your size, and they even ask you your sizing at other locations. And they ask you if you like patterns, what ones, colors, and it's really customized. And the packaging is just so freaking cute. They even send you some measuring tape your first month. They really want to make sure your fit is good and the style as well. If you're not satisfied, they will give you your money back. And also they have a great loyalty program. If you like refer any friends, you get $20 and so do they. And then you get some credit to use on their store if you review them or like share a photo on Instagram or Facebook. And you always get a little peek through the bag. So this is brief style. I get a size large for reference, and it's bordered, comfy, and lacy. Yes. And the color looks so cute. Is it like a maroon? Let's take a look. Let's get this open. Ooh, I love this color. Wait, did that say Bordeaux and I said bordered? I don't know. Maybe they meant Bordeaux, like the color. That makes me want wine. It's almost wine time. It's almost 5 o'clock on a Friday. Okay. So, super cute. I love the color. There's a little bow, lace detail. And on the back, there is some coverage, but a little cheeky on the sides. Let's move this so you can see better. Super cute. So the retail value is $15, so you save like $5 being a member compared to buying it on their shop. This is like nylon, and there is a cotton gusset. So yeah, 84% nylon, and there's some spandex. The lining gusset is 100% cotton, and I freaking love this. I think all their panties are super cute. They have similar styles, but you get a different style each month. I tend to get this one because this is what I like. I'm all about comfort, but I like comfy, sexy. That's like my thing. I don't like too fitting. I don't like, you know, too much. Comfy, lacy. This is my jam. So you guys have to let me know if you guys get Heaven Panty. Are we panty twins? What did you get this month? I love this color. This is so cute. So again, if you guys are interested in subscribing, there's a link below. And let me know, do you prefer this style or Splendies? I haven't gotten Splendies in a while. I realized my address was wrong, so I should be getting that again soon, hopefully, so we can kind of do a comparison. That's more like comfy every day. I think this is more like going out, but you can wear this anytime. You do you, boo, but that is what I have for you today. Quick video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great weekend or day whenever you're watching this. No, I love you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. If you missed my last video, it was Ipsy. I did a giveaway in that video, or I am doing a giveaway, so make sure to check that out. And if you like tarot, I have another channel called Kitty Outside the Box where I have a video uploading right now for December predictions, and there's also a giveaway in that video as well. So we'll leave a link below if you're into spirituality and tarot. Check that out, Kitty Outside the Box. And yeah, I love you so much. Bye.